Hey guys, my name is Logan. Welcome back to my channel. So anyway, today we are gonna be getting around my tool set that I got for Christmas. So let let's catch you guys a little footage and see what kind of stuff that we're gonna get into. So hold on one second. Alright, so what I got here is my hammer and I I could do like several things with it. I could build bookshelves. I could build a um uh, hang on. Let me here we go. Yeah, put this back. Anyway, this right here, like I said, it's my hammer. I can use it for building bookshelves. I can use it for building um dressers. Maybe even something nice. You never know. Um, and then you can also use it for yeah. I know. I mean, you can use it for all sorts of stuff. But a hammer is like a main tool. You also put nails. You also can hammer some nails when you're building houses. Um. Anyway, we're moving on to something else. So hold on one second. All right, guys. So these right here are a pair of pliers. So um like say if you got a if you had like a small nail in your truck or car tire, you have to pull the nail out with these bad boys. Oh yeah. So you gotta have these along with you, and it'll help. And you can also use them to for wire too to clip wires off. Um, I got another pair of wires. I'll show you them in a minute. So this is what you precisely need. You need a pair of small wires for smaller stuff, or a smaller pair of pliers for smaller wires. So let me I'm gonna show y'all guys something else. Alright guys, so these are a big pair of pliers. So kind of same thing to these, like, I can't tell which one's which. I count these as bigger ones, like, and these are a little skinny. So, same thing, but, like, if you had these, for pulling bigger stuff, you can do the exact same thing with those pair of pliers. And, then, you can also bend to, you can probably, um, like, use this as an example to pull wires when you're, like, working on a trailer or light. Or if you want to pull a big trailer light and you can do that kind of stuff. And I'm about to show you something else. Um, now, this right here is, um, some sort of wrench. You can pull metal with it. Like, say you're, pinning a piece of copper, like, that's made out of metal, and, you wanna bend it like this. Um, and, let's see what else. Then, you also can use it for pipes too, don't forget. Um, and then, I got another tool to show you. What else? Um, I got a Phillips head screwdriver that has a bunch of bits. Like, when I mean bits, I meant bits like this. Oh, sorry, that's for screwdriver. You got these, so you want this. So, say you're like screwing like a screw, like stuff together, and boom, it's already finished. So, let's get on to the next video. Alright, we got y'all guys something else. This is kind of like a shot where you have to pin somebody in the arm, but it's not. It's a, it's kind of like a tiny screwdriver, or it's like finger size according to my finger. Um, or, or my pinky. Yeah, it's kind of like the size of my pinky. But anyway, you can use this for smaller stuff, like smaller nails, about this size, according to my eyeball. And then, you got that, and then you got all your, other mainliest tools, like, same thing, you can use this. I got a bunch more that I might not show you. And I'm about to show you something else, so keep you guys a heads up. Hold on. Now this right here is a blade, or something, I could use it to sharpen my sycamore mower when I can. Shoot, but this thing is really handy, so use this for sharpening your lawnmower blades or your sycamore mower blade. I want y'all's guys' opinion. Which one works better? A regular, this or a regular blade? I want you guys' opinion. So, just a heads up. I'm about to show you guys something else. Hold on 1 second. Now this right here is a wood knife. I think. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. But anyway, you can cut all kinds of wood or pipes like this size, and so that's a story for this one. That's not much to say. And then I also got. Hold on a minute again, guys. This is also called a pipe wrench. Like you can do this. Like watch this. Which way does it go again? I don't know. Hell yeah. Yep. This is... This is called a pipe wrench. Huh. Oh yeah. This is it. Okay, so we're gonna put this up, and I think we're gonna probably end the video for you guys, and we'll continue on with part 2 of the toolbox. And I got other things to do in the meantime, so stay tuned for my tool set saga, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.